Hi guys, and welcome back since a long time with another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Behind the camera is my son Mike.
Howdy.
Little Teddy, come here. And look at little Ginger. Little Ginger, come here. I'm not gonna touch him, guys, because you know how it is. I just wash my hands, and if I do, then it's gonna interfere with what we're making today. I'm just making a little Lipton chicken flavored noodle soup. You know how they come. They come 2 packs in this box. And it has the seasoning and everything inside. And the reason why you see this here on this shopping block is because I'm gonna be putting all that in the soup. Now I have my fan on and I have my water running. No salt, just water running. I'm gonna take the lid off. I'm gonna open. This is what you guys do. And you make it a little bit different and better. And it's gonna be really good. Trust me what I'm saying. Okay. Now, wow, that one kind of like open, but this one playing games with me, this other bag. Okay guys, so as you can see the little noodles, right?
Oh yeah.
And you can see the seasoning. I'm gonna pour it in here, 1, see, and 2. That was just plain water. And on top of that, I'm gonna add up 2 more chicken bouillons. The reason why I'm putting it, guys, because it's too much water. If I let that boil and cook like that, it's gonna have no taste. So this is the little things of the chicken bouillons. And as you see here, this is the skin of the potatoes that I'm gonna put in. I took 2 potatoes. So I'm gonna drop them inside there like that. Be careful, Michael, don't get yourself burned. We don't wanna do that. So this is something that you guys can make at home. You can also throw a little piece of chicken, like a little piece of chicken breast if you guys want. Cut it in tiny little pieces and throw it in there. You don't need to put any more seasonings in that. I'm gonna throw in this big piece of green pepper for flavor. I'm gonna throw it in there. Before the soup is done and I serve it to everybody, I'm gonna fish it out. Now also, you cannot forget about putting a little cilantro. Like that. Okay, and then we can fish it out. We're gonna put it in there. And we're gonna put the lid on. And we're gonna put the time, guys. 15 minutes, okay? So the timer, 1500. Come on, Michael. So everybody sees. Start. Okay, hold on. There was something in here. Just forget about that, guys. So we're just gonna use the timer, okay? Timer, right? Timer, 1500, and press timer again, and then you go in 14 minutes and 58 seconds. We're gonna come back. That soup is gonna be delicious. I'm gonna serve a little bit for everybody, and that's what we're gonna eat for now before I make my entree. Entree. My entree was just gonna be meatball parm sandwiches that I'm gonna be making for dinner, and I'm gonna let you guys go. Please don't forget to subscribe. We love you all, and always remember, don't drink and drive, okay? We'll be right back in exactly 14 minutes and 30 seconds. Don't go away. And this is, guys, at 11 minutes and 30 seconds left. So you see how it's coming. You're gonna see how this is gonna be done. When it's done, you're gonna love it. Thanks for watching. Don't go away. 4, 3, 2, 1, and out. And that's it, guys. So that means that we're done to get that soup. So here's the soup, as all you guys can see. Let me get a little bowl from here, Michael.
Sorry,
Mama. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour in one of these little guys. And the reason why I pour it is because it always looks prettier. And I'm gonna get one of these. There's a lot of the family don't like the cilantro thing.
I'm good with the cilantro.
You know, it doesn't bother me either. You know what I'm saying? But my pregnant daughter, when it comes to that, she's a pain in the neck. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, here we go. We have some of it doesn't matter. See, with your little noodles. See, guys, and trust me, this is totally delicioso. I'm gonna put a little bit more noodles in there. See, and here you go. You have your little tiny little chicken soup. It's good to have it like right before you're gonna have a meal. You're gonna eat anything. Sorry, Michael, about that. Here we go, and I'm gonna move it so you guys can see it. And if you guys, a lot of the family don't like the cilantro leaves, just fish them out, and that's all you gotta do. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. I already tasted it, me and Michael. Let's turn it off. And then I'm gonna serve my whole family. Before I serve everybody, I'm just gonna put a little bit like that on everybody, and then we'll take a picture. And at the end of the video, we'll be there. And also all the seasonings that I put in, everything that is in, it will be in the bottom, okay? So just scroll down, look at the video, look at the ingredients that we put in. If you want to donate, go ahead and do so. We have patreon.com. Click on it, take you directly to the website. You can donate from $1 to $100. So thanks for watching. We love you all. And see you next time with another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. Always remember, don't drink and drive.